Morning class, how are you all? Fine? Hi. Yes. Who am I? What's my name? Do you remember me? Yes, my name is Shaista. Correct. And I'll be taking your literacy and science classes. Now, this is your literacy class, okay? Now, remember what we did yesterday? What? Can anybody tell me what was the work that we have done in the class yesterday? Yes? Can you tell me, Sarah? Very good. We have learned how to comprehend a story. Yeah, correct. So how do we comprehend a story? What are the things that we should keep in mind? What are the things that helps us? Can you tell me? Great. Pictures. Pictures helps a lot. Pictures helps us to comprehend, to find out, right? Yes? What else? Correct. You have seen a video. Correct. That was a video about a short story. And what was that story? Correct. About a thief and a robbery and a policeman. Yes? Good job. Very well done. Very good. Now remember I have given you some homework. What was that? I asked you to read the story. Have you done that? Have you all read the story? Great, good job. Okay, now let's see this PPT. I'll show you just a small PPT PowerPoint and you will just look at the pictures and we will discuss how the pictures helps us. Okay? Okay, just a minute. Okay, now can you see this? Correct. Now this is the story of Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Okay, now just look at the other picture. Very good. Correct. Now the next picture. Good. Now the next picture. Great job. Correct. Now the next one. Okay. Now do you remember the story, children? What was the story? It was about Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Can you retell the story? Just a small one, in short. Yes. It was about Goldilocks yes, who went into the cottage of the three bears and she drank all the porridge of the bears and then they were very, very sad. So do you think these pictures help you to recall the story? Yes, they did help you? Very good. So do you remember? Now can you tell me the story that you have read in your book, the homework that I have given you? Can you retell the story? Yes? Okay. First of all, take out page number 7 and look at this picture over here. What do you think they all are doing? They are, first tell me where these children are. Correct, they are in the class. And what are they doing? They are looking at something. Correct. So what was the story about? Sarah, can you just tell me starting of the story? Yes, there was a boy named Jimmy. Very nice. Yes, Ali, can you continue, please? He was very good. He couldn't keep any secrets. So what happened? Wow, great job. All his friends, they were Like they were not very happy to share their secrets with him because Jimmy was unable to keep the secrets, right? And he was very sad that nobody's telling him, right? So, do you people have secrets? Yes, you have secrets? Wow, what do you mean by secret actually? Wow, great. It's something that is hidden. You don't want to tell anybody. Yes, I also have secrets. I don't want to share it with anyone, right? So, Jimmy was also that type of boy. He doesn't like to, he was unable actually to keep secrets. So, nobody was happy to share anything with him, of which he was quite sad, right? So, that was the story, right? Okay. Now, so once you are asked to do something, you have to do that task so that we will continue in the class for the next time. Now, you know what the story was. You have already told me the story. Now, are you able to follow to do the questions and answers? Yes? Okay. Now, let's start. Okay, the first thing which I wanted to ask Sarah. Can you tell me what did Jimmy want Roman to tell him? He wanted to. Very good. Correct, Sarah. I'm so happy for you. He wanted to tell the secret that they were hiding. Yes? Correct. Okay. Who had a little snake in his pocket? Wow. Who was the boy who had a snake in his pocket? It was Roman. Wow, good job. Correct. Okay. And what did Jimmy do as soon as he found about the secret? He told to his mother, he went home and he told that secret to his mother. See, he was unable to keep the secret in his tummy, right? He could just go and tell it to everyone, right? Very nice. So that means that um, he tells the secret to all any like he was unable to keep the secret and he wanted his friends to listen to him but they were not listening to him, right? Okay, so that means that the story is very much clear to you. Yes. Okay, now what you will do, you are going to do part B on page number 8 as your homework. Okay, and this I will be posting on portal as well, right? So now, what I want you to do is the questions which we have discussed just now. I want you to quickly do that in your notebook. I'm giving you 5 minutes to write the answers in your notebook. Now, remember, you are in grade 2. You are big children. So, you should know how to write fast. Okay? When 5 minutes time is given, you should complete that work in 5 minutes time. Remember the class rules. Okay? Listen to my instructions and remember your rules. So your time starts now. One, two, three, start. Yes. So I hope your work is done. Correct? So what we have learned in this class today, we have learned how to retell the story, right? How to retell the story in your own words. Now, could you please tell me the story which I've shown you yesterday? Remember a short video. What was that video about? Yes, Ali? Correct. There was a thief, right, who stole some gold from the town. Very well done. And what happened? The police caught him and got hold of him. Very nice. So lastly, what was the end? Yes, the police was very happy because he was then ruling the town. He was going on his horse all around the town. That means it was a happy ending, right? So, so see how you have retell the story because you remember what you saw yesterday and you have said that in your own words. This is how you retell the story. You retell it in your own words. So I hope this is clear to you all and you will be doing your homework and share it with me in my next class. Okay, children? Bye from now. See you later. Bye bye.